The book is the story about my marriage to Marwan Kanafani, who was Yasser Arafat's senior advisor and spokesman. And it's also about the women that I met along the way during my marriage to him. And it's about my own personal journey. So there's a couple of themes that go simultaneously in the book. And I am Lebanese. I was raised in New York, and I lived half with my mother, half with my father. I had sort of an eccentric upbringing, two very different environments, different parents. Went to school in New York, and then I eventually met my husband at the United Nations. He was a diplomat there. He was director of the Arab League. We ended up getting married about 8 months after we met. And I was willing to give up everything that I liked in my life, my friends, my love of art, theater, to let my life revolve around him. I did find the part of not being able to pursue my own interests very crippling, and that was just too hard for me. One of the things that I took away from the marriage, which was a great memory, were some of the women that I met during my marriage. And they were strong, and they were dynamic, and they were fascinating. And one of them was the wife of Mrs. Arafat, Raymonda Tawil. One was another woman whose husband was the Libyan ambassador to the UN, and he had resigned. They started a human rights organization. Queen Dina of Jordan. These were the women I had become friendly with, and they just had amazing stories. And after my divorce, I started to think that it would be interesting to see if they'd be willing to record their stories with me in a book. Most of the women that I interviewed were happy to have a voice, but I do have to say that they did trust me to tell their story in an accurate way. I think there was a bond because they knew I'd been part of that crowd, and they felt they could trust me. I made these women my teachers and my mentors that came forth as I found my way through this unfamiliar terrain in the Middle East, and they guided me, and I learned from them, and they told me about their own lives, and they truly became my teachers. And then eventually I came out the other side back to the familiar world with this knowledge. So even though the book started out to be a collection of interviews, it ended up being a memoir with these other women woven in and out of the book.